Dear ladies and gentlemen, this is the video guide that will help you to get rid of malicious pop-ups that are related to the site softlifeinfo.com. Softlifeinfo.com is a malicious site attacking Google, Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make you click on Allow button, to make you subscribe to many advertisements that will be displayed as random web push notifications. If you mistakenly click on Allow, you need to fix your browser by accessing the menu, then Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Go down to Permissions and choose Notifications. Then carefully research the sites allowed to send notifications and remove the softlifeinfo.com from the list. In order to make sure that your device is free of any other threats, I recommend that you investigate the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place where you can get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then start examining your computer with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only Quick Scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.